Porsche Taycan Turbo S, the ultimate electric sports car. The Porsche Taycan Turbo S is one of the most powerful and technologically advanced electric vehicles (EVs) in the world. With breathtaking acceleration, stunning design, and cutting-edge technology, it represents Porsche's commitment to the future of high-performance electric mobility. 1. Design and aerodynamics. The Taycan Turbo S features a futuristic yet unmistakably Porsche design. Its low-slung stance, muscular curves, and aerodynamic efficiency make it one of the most stunning electric sedans on the market. The car has matrix LED headlights, retractable door handles, and an active rear spoiler that enhances stability at high speeds. Porsche has also integrated air curtains to improve airflow, reducing drag and increasing efficiency. 2. Power and performance. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, the Taycan Turbo S is powered by dual electric motors, one on each axle, delivering an astonishing 750 horsepower with Overboost function activated and 1050 Nm of torque. This allows it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0–62 miles per hour, in just 2.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric sedans in the world. The car features an all-wheel drive system for maximum grip, ensuring mind-blowing performance in all driving conditions. The top speed of the Taycan Turbo S is 260 km per hour, 161 miles per hour, which is impressive for an EV. Porsche's 2-speed transmission on the rear axle ensures both instant acceleration and high-speed efficiency, something not commonly found in electric vehicles. 3. Battery and range. The Taycan Turbo S is equipped with a 93.4 kWh performance battery plus, offering a range of up to 450 km, 280 miles per charge under ideal conditions. Thanks to Porsche's 800 volts architecture, the car supports 270 kilowatts fast charging, allowing it to charge from 5% to 80% in just 22.5 minutes at a DC fast charging station. 4. Interior and technology. Inside, the Taycan Turbo S is a blend of luxury, sportiness, and futuristic technology. The cabin features premium leather, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting, creating an elegant yet performance-oriented atmosphere. The driver-focused cockpit includes 16.8-inch curved digital instrument cluster, 10.9-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 8.4-inch climate control touchscreen in the center console, optional passenger display for entertainment and navigation. The Advanced Porsche Communication Management (PCM) system ensures seamless connectivity, while the Burmester 3D high-end surround sound system provides an immersive audio experience. 5. Driving dynamics and handling. The Taycan Turbo S delivers the legendary Porsche driving experience with adaptive air suspension, rear axle steering, and Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus (PTV+). These features ensure exceptional stability, sharp handling, and a dynamic ride. The Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM) system continuously adjusts damping for optimal comfort and control. 6. Price and competition. The Porsche Taycan Turbo S starts at approximately $187,400 and competes with other high-performance EVs like the Tesla Model S Plaid, Lucid Air, and Audi e-tron GT-RS. However, Porsche's unmatched handling, brand heritage, and engineering excellence make it stand out in the premium EV segment. 7. Conclusion. The Porsche Taycan Turbo S is the ultimate electric sports sedan, offering jaw-dropping performance, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious comfort. It is not just an EV but a true Porsche at heart, blending tradition with innovation. Whether you're looking for supercar-like acceleration, everyday usability, or a sustainable yet thrilling driving experience, the Taycan Turbo S is in a league of its own.